Hello friends, my name is Alea of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, we are actually going to be minding somebody else's business for once. I know I haven't been making videos for the past 2 months now. It's been crazy. I'll talk about it later on in the end of this video, so if you're interested, stay till then. But we're going to be talking about some drama going on TikTok within the DIY community. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I'm not one of those commentary channels that give you all the screenshots or give you all the tea. I don't normally do videos like this, so I'm not really motivated to do that. What I am going to do is I'm going to link down below Emma in the Moment, her video on this subject, because she gives all of the receipts, all of the information, the screenshots, everything, explains everything very nice and has way more time to do it than I do. So I'm just gonna give my 2 cents on the situation, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So pretty much there's two creators that have a similar taste in decor, and especially the DIY decor, which is really big on TikTok right now. And so creator A saw that creator B had been doing some of the same things and gained the same inspiration. So if we get down to the nitty gritty, what's pretty much happening is there's creator A and there's creator B. And creator A is pretty much pointing the finger and saying that creator B is copying her. Things like moss mirrors and color schemes and creative inspiration for DIY home decor. I laugh at situations like this because when it comes to like DIY and crafts and different home decor, especially crochet, I'm gonna talk a little bit about that. Nothing new. There's nothing new anymore, right? We're in the year 2023, and there is nothing that somebody has not already done. I'm sorry. You could think all you want that your idea came to you and it was new and innovative and nobody else has done it. But if you look deep, deep down, somebody has already thought about it. Somebody else has already did it and maybe did it better. So you can't really get mad. And I will admit, I've actually had a situation like this where I thought that somebody else had took my video and used the talking points from my video in their video. But when I really sat down and analyzed it and even got some people who were outside of the situation to look at things in a more objective viewpoint, I found out that I was being protective over a thought that's not really, that unique. And so to save myself some humiliation, I did not try to call out this other creator and probably ruin my YouTube career, which I am so thankful for the people that looked over the situation and saved my butt from embarrassment. So yeah, whether it's DIY or crochet, there's not that much stuff that you can do that's really new. Everybody's done a chevron blanket. Everybody's done different granny squares with different color schemes. Everybody's done pom-poms and different shaped pom-poms and different hats. There's so many ways you can make a hat. There's so many ways you can make a poncho or a dress or a sweater. There's so many ways that you can decorate a room. There's so many different ways. It's not a infinite void of ideas because we've been doing this for years now. There's going to be somebody who has the same ideas as you, and you can't always try to claim something as your own. Now, don't get me wrong. There are times where people have actually copied verbatim, word for word, somebody else's stuff and tried to pass it off as their own. It hasn't happened to me, but my friend Betty McNitt, she has talked about situations where somebody has stolen her stitch charts and stuff like that, taken off her watermark and tried to pass it off as a free diagram for something that she has essentially patented and lives off of. That is stealing. Right? That's stealing. You don't do that. That's a no-no. Or if somebody takes a pattern that they got out of a book right? And copies it word from word from word and tries to put it in their pattern. That's copying. If somebody is trying, now I can't say that color, I wouldn't consider color schemes being something that you can copy because colors is different, but individual works that somebody has written down and it's been published, and then you try to copy it for your own and for your own use to sell and market, that's stealing. I think we can draw the line at what's stealing and what's creative freedom. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that issue. I just find stuff like this really funny when people, like, with their whole heart on this big girl internet, think that somebody copied them when really somebody else, you copied somebody else because you've been inspired by somebody else's stuff. I think that if she would have, if this creator would have looked back on the situation and really looked objectively at what was going on, she would have changed her mind as to what exactly the other person was thinking. So I definitely want to know what you guys think below in the comment section. All right, so with that out the way and done, let's talk about what's been going on with my life. I have not uploaded a video in about 2 months, which has been crazy for me. Ever since I started this channel and like been really serious about it, I have not went that long without uploading a video. Life right now is so much fun and at the same time very challenging. I am 24 weeks pregnant. For everybody who wants a baby bump update, here you go. Here's the bump update. Yes, we have a nice healthy baby boy. Very excited for his arrival in November and getting everything ready and just baby proofing the house 2 times extra now. It's being fun. Also, as you guys know, I've been helping my husband with his business and his videos. So I am now editing like 3 videos a week, where it used to just be like 1 or 2, and it's been really crazy, really hectic, and teaching him how to do videos and all writing scripts and all this other fun stuff. It's been crazy. I've also learned how to do like Google ads and Facebook ads and trying to market his business. I've been very much hands-on with his business. Well, technically it's our business, but he's the face of it. So it's been really interesting, and it's just taken up a lot of my time. I haven't really been able to crochet all that much, and I'm always tired. I'm always hungry. And so I'm just trying to practice and focus on things that are really important. And we're really just trying to get all this stuff ready for when the baby gets here, so then he can take over his business. And then hopefully when baby gets here, I can get back to crocheting like I used to. So my husband is considered a self-published writer, so a lot of the things that normally authors would get taken care of, we are doing everything by ourselves. So we're doing the marketing, the advertising, we're printing things by ourselves. We actually just got our first order of like 2,000 books, and we did a whole vlog about that too, and getting them in our house. And now like we're just packaging up books and stuff. So if you guys are interested in my husband's graphic novel, I'll link the videos down below, and it would be great if you guys picked up a couple of books. But as of right now, I've just been really focused on getting his business up and out the door, so when little baby gets here, we can settle into a better routine. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm really interested to know what you think about, is it possible for somebody to copy somebody else's ideas when mostly 9 times out of 10 the idea has already been done? I know for a fact this is an ongoing thing in the crochet community, so I'm very interested in knowing what you guys are thinking down below in the comment section. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.